Motivational speech for entrepreneur. Why are you not an entrepreneur already? What is holding you back? What is stopping you from doing what needs to be done? The answer is nothing, no one but yourself. You are not serious about this because if you were serious, you would be putting in the time and effort every single day, no matter what. What does it truly take to go from employee to entrepreneur? There is no magic formula. It is action. Daily consistent action every single day will turn your dream into reality. So I say to you, don't just sit around reading and watching other successful people. You need to have the vision, have your goal, and take action today. Use what you have to get you started. It does not have to be perfect. Just start to build something. You do not need to know everything about entrepreneurship to start. The best way to learn about business is to be in business. How do you expect to learn about something if you are not in the game? We determine who we are by what we do. So rise up and be the person you want to be. Cut out the TV, video games, wasting time with your friends, engaging in nonsense. Look at how you spend your days. Are you being productive with your time? How do you expect to become successful if you act like everyone else? What is so different about you? What are you doing that is moving you in the direction of your goals and dreams? Enough is enough. Now is the time to change the way you live. You can do this. You must have a laser-like focus on achieving your success and go all and every single day. Once you demand a higher standard from yourself, your life starts to change for the better. Don't make up lies that you are trying to become an entrepreneur and you don't do anything with your time, money, and resources. Become an entrepreneur from within. Develop yourself. Success is not what you get, but who you become. Your character is what makes you a true entrepreneur. Your daily habits, your routines, your mannerism, your humbleness, your discipline, your focus, your work ethics, your drive to be the best, your hunger to succeed, and your determination to live. Your determination to live life on your terms. You can lose all your words, but the character of a true entrepreneur remains, and that will never be taken away from you. A new day brings a new opportunity. So get up and take action. If you don't take daily consistent action, just know that you are not serious about success. No one cares about your excuses. Just stop taking and get to work. It's your dream, so do what needs to be done. Don't rely on others to help you. Know that success is dependent on you. You have greatness within you. So believe in yourself and know that you can achieve anything. People of success are not the people of failure. So hard work pays. Hard work and determination pays. You don't need to sit back and wait for people to come and push you. Push for yourself. Get up now and push. Push for the success that you want in life. Faith and determination gives. Faith and determination gives results. You don't need to sit back, listen to others, sitting around friends, gossiping all days, and then you expect greatness. Greatness is hard work. Greatness is determination. Greatness is having faith. Greatness is believing that you can do it when the time comes. And that time comes when you push and determine, work hard, believing that the result is yours. No one knows what the future holds, but that future is determined by your hard work. As someone vying to be an entrepreneur, You need to be determined. You have to put on the best character, the best mannerism, the best attitude to work. Your result is in your hand. So you have to look it out, work it out, develop it, transform yourself, transform your lifestyle to get the results needed. Life is too short for you to be worried about what is in the future. The best you could do for the future is to work hard towards the future. Laziness doesn't pay. Hard work pays. Hard work doesn't kill. You have to be determined as a being, as an entrepreneur, to get the result. Go in for various business research. Do the necessary business that you want to do. Experience brings results, but that experience must be built on a foundation that you believe can be a result-driven experience. No one is holding you to that greatness. If you could move today with the hope and determination and the aspiration, motivation that you can do it, yes, you have to do it, and the results you get it. Don't be a clown. Don't be sitting hoping that things will turn around by itself. You have to turn around the structure, the faith, the belief, the every other aspect of your life. You are who you are if you do what you want to do and get the results. Stop procrastinating too long. Go in for that better result that gives you the results. It is about results. If you want to be an entrepreneur, and why are you not an entrepreneur? It's because you have the belief, you are not having the determination that you can do it. Do your great work. Do it and do it. Never look back. This is not the time for you to sit back looking all night for newspapers to get that job. Go the extra miles to use your little capital to do your startup. Startup pays for a long time and forever. So believe that you can do it with a startup and move on with your life. No one knows tomorrow except your futures holds you. So what you do towards that future is to work hard, believe in yourself, get your dreams, set your goals and targets. Work towards those goals and targets for results. You have to be a self-determined individual that will go the extra mile to get what he or she wants. Don't be someone who is always provided for. Be an individual that provides for persons or the disabled. Entrepreneurship is about better life, but it pays, it goes with struggles and struggles. But the results is worthy of listening, is worthy of attaining. So go in for the best and get what is the result that you want as an entrepreneur. Never sit back. This is not the time you have to sit to be an employee. Go in out and out to be an employer, and that determines who you are. So what you should do in that direction is to be faithful and believing that you can do it. If you do it as told, the results will be something that will be turning your life around. Don't sit back waiting for that job to come and hit you. You have to do your job, and then later you become an employer. It is worthy to become an employer than an employee, because being an employer is you being the master of your own life, being the master of your day. You determine what you eat. You have the right to determine the peoples you want to take in the workplace. Rather than you being determined to be employed, go into entrepreneurship today and get the results. This is what makes a nation develop. If only we all want to grow as a nation, we all should have our diverse investment and entrepreneurship. So if you think this video is worthy of listening and it entices you to go extra mile to become an entrepreneur, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.